Part 21, Transportation Services, Meaning and Types. One of the most popular types of business services is the transportation services. These transportation services are anything that helps the people in their travels and commutes. Mainly it includes rail, road, air, water and pipeline transportation. Having these services make you travel and transport goods a lot easier and convenient. Transportation service meaning transportation service facilitate transit of people, goods from one place to another. Transportation service is required to shift goods from one place to another. Initially, animals and vehicles were used. Along with them, waterways were used for the same purpose. With the modern inventions, the use of aeroplane began. Transportation means movement of goods and people from one place to another. Transit of goods and people from one place to another. Transportation service is required to shift goods from one place to another. In the initial stage of transportation, animals, afterwards a vehicle, and at present modern transportation system just like airways started. Types of transportation. First one, human operated. Even today, human operated transportation exists to manage transit of human beings and goods, and it is environment friendly too. In many places, pedal rickshaw is still prevalent, which transports people from one place to another. For instance, Kolkata has pedal rickshaw, and in almost all parts of India, goods are transported through human operated carriers. Second one, animal operated. For short distance transit of goods, animals operated transportation is used. Example, horse cart, bullock cart, etc. And third types of transportation service, airways. Airways are used for human and goods transit for long distance and speedy movement. For takeoff and landing, runway is necessary. For short distance and for less quantity of goods and few people, when runway is not available in coastal regions, helicopter service is more suitable. Airways is a new concept in transportation services, and through the airways we can transit goods and people from one place to another. Most of the cases it is going to travel long distance places, and goods are transported through airways. That is mainly light weighted things are going to transport. Compared to other form of transportation service, airways is very costly. It is very fast and it is very expensive compared to other forms of transportation services. These airways need a special place for takeoff and landing, that is known as airports, and it need a special runway for landing also. Without this facility, it is not possible. There we can use helicopter services in spite of the aeroplane facilities. Helicopter services is more suitable for such places. Then fourth type of transportation service is land transport. Land transport is divided into railways, roadways. First one, railway. Human and goods transit take place through railways. Usually diesel or electricity is used for railway engine. Many a times, many coaches or all coaches have fuel engines which are known as multiple unit trains. Presently, railway use cable, gravitational force, magnetic force, etc. And recently, compressed natural gas or CNG is being used as fuel in India for railway engines. Railways which connect different towns and cities and also trains running within the city have to proved to be the spinal cord of transportation. One of the most important transportation service is railway. Railway is the one of the government public enterprise. It is handled and controlled by Government of India. Then with the help of railway transportation, we can travel and along with the transit good from one place to another. In rain, the fuel is used in past as coal. Now it is changed into diesel and electricity is used for railway engine. And many a times, many coaches or all coaches have fuel engines which are known as multiple unit trains. Multiple unit train means all coaches have fuel engines to support and give more power to transporting goods and people from one place to another. Present we can see one or two engine carrying many compartment or bogies from one place to another. Now most of the places go into electrification and use of the electricity rain is going to travel from one place to another. And in very early, very modern inventions in the railway field, gravitation force, magnetic force, and using of CNG also, in spite of other fuels, just like diesel and coal, in spite of coal, diesel, and electricity. Railway which connect different towns and cities, and also trains running within the cities have proved to be the spinal cord of transportation. In a train, more than 1,000 person can carry travel at the same time, and huge amount of goods also can transport from one place to another. Land transport, its second one, roadways. In roadways, there is freedom to move from one road to another to change place, direction, speed, and time according to the requirement, which is not possible or easy in other modes of transportation. It is possible to provide this service at the doorsteps. We know that we have two-wheelers and four-wheelers. We can use as per our requirement, especially private vehicle. We can use as per our various requirement. And the specialty of roadways, we can change and go to one place to another, and a direction, speed, time according to the requirement of the persons, which is not possible or easy in other modes of the transportation. It is possible to provide this service at the doorstep. It is very nearby as compared to other transportation system. It is very convenience for the people. We know that railway station, airport, and most of the time it is far away from our homes. Bus is an effective way of transportation for people. For transit of goods, lesser weight and distance, truck is very useful. Because of the vehicular traffic, the problems of air pollution, noise pollution, traffic jam, and parking arises. Due to this, in many cities, bus rapid transit system BRTS has been started. For such buses, a dedicated road is reserved so that such buses can reach from one place to another at a fast pace. The duration between one bus and the other is kept minimum, which makes the service effective. In Gujarat, the service is prevalent in cities like Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, etc. We know that bus is one of the common transportation system, especially for people and carrying less weight things through bus. And heavy load we can transport from one place to another by the use of truck. Nowadays, we know that different cities of India facing too much pollution because of increasing number of vehicles, and it going to create traffic problems and problems of air pollution, noise pollution, and problem of parking areas also arises. To solve this type of issues and reduce this type of the harmful activities, government introduced public transportation system or bus rapid transit system has been started. Using of BRTS services, a special road is constructed for traveling. Special road is arranged for this type of the buses, and the time limit of this type of the bus is very minimum. Most of the time it is going from one side of the town to another side of the town, and it is mostly covering the full city. In Gujarat we can see this type of effectively implemented bus rapid system in some of the Gujarat state places, just like Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, etc. Waterways, fifth one, waterways. Sea, river, lake, canal are some of the waterways on which boats, ferries, ships, etc. provide water transport. Nearby seashore places or where water and even land is there, hovercraft is used which uses a giant high-speed fan. Big dams are constructed and water is made available to distant places through canals. Canals are also used as waterways. Foreign trade takes place mostly through waterways. Compared to other modes of transportation, waterways are slow, even though nowadays, with the use of modern engines, huge quantity of goods can be transported effectively. Compared to airways, waterways is cheaper for transporting goods from one continent to other, but it takes more time at the nearby coastal areas. Ferry service has proved very profitable. We know that waterways is very famous. Waterways transportation is cheaper than other forms of transportation. Waterways is using by sea, river, lake, and a canal, using of different type of water bodies, and make traveling through this with the help of boats, ferries, ships, etc. Provide water support to them to this service. Then nearby seashore and river areas, water surrounded areas, we can travel through the use of travel through water. And compared to other means of transportation, waterways is cheaper for transportation of goods from one continent to another, but it take much time to reach from one place to another compared to other forms of transportation. At the nearby coastal areas, ferry service has proved very profitable. Some of the areas now also not connected with the land road. Now also we can see there the service of various boats, ships, ferries, etc. Such type of places is carrying people also from one place to another. Even Europeans also transported goods from our country to their country through the use of waterways. It is very cheaper compared to other, but it will take a more time compared to other transportation services. And the invention of modern machines in this field, it reduced the time and time consuming, and it carrying huge amount of goods compared to other all transportation services. Most of the time, import export activity carrying through waterways. Transit through pipeline. Pipeline is used for liquid and gases products. This arrangement is useful for transportation of fluid, waste, water, petroleum, natural gases, etc. For instance, for transporting gas from Gajira, Gujarat to Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh pipeline is laid. Oil and petroleum products are transported through pipeline in states like Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Transportation of liquid substance or gas through pipeline. We know that in Gujarat, many of the places is LPG gas is transporting through pipelines and it is connected to houses also. Then various water and irrigation project also with the help of a pipeline. For example, Narmada Dam and Narmada Dam's water going to different parts of Gujarat through the pipeline facility, and it serve the agriculture sector and the household necessity of different cities. And transporting gas from Gujarat to Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh pipeline is laid. Oil and petroleum products are transported through pipeline in states like Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. This pipeline is less maintenance cost and free from other type of the environmental pollutions. In this section, we studied about transportation service. Transportation service is very important one in business service and transport goods from one place to another. Transportation service are used different type of transportation system: human operated, animal operated, air transport, land transport, rail transport and road transport, waterways, pipeline, etc.